You've got some concerns about your home's foundation and you're freaking out about where to go from here. You're seeing cracks in your drywall, maybe even some cracks in your brick, doors that aren't working properly, and you just don't know who to trust at all. Maybe you've even already talked to a different contractor and are feeling pressured or just generally uneasy about what it is that they're telling you. You've got a lot of questions and you want to make the best decision for you and your home. I'm Austin, the Chief Slab-on-Grade Estimator for Anchor Foundation Repair. We've been fixing foundations like yours since 1985 right here in the Brazos Valley. We've repaired thousands of homes over the years and understand the stress and worry that you're experiencing right now. To fully prepare homeowners for a foundation repair journey, we've created the complete guide to Brazos Valley Foundation Repair to answer all of your burning questions like, what are the real signs of foundation problems? How much does a foundation repair cost? How long does it take? What about my plumbing? And so much more. For example, did you even know that there are different methods of foundation repair? All these questions are answered in this guide, and once you reach the end of this guide, you'll be fully prepared and informed about everything you need to know about foundation repair. Many folks are worried about spam calling and robo-texting. That is not the case with this guide at all. We're not going to be emailing you or calling you, seeing if you want to schedule an inspection. That'll be left up to you to decide on later. Keep this guide handy as you talk with any foundation repair contractors. If and when you feel ready to speak with a professional at Anchor, feel free to click that Get a Quote button, and a professional from Anchor will be in touch soon.